Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the use of list and mutable list collection in Kotlin. Let us start. First of all, we have to create a list. So we call it list value, or we can say it roll number of list type. Number is integer. Then we call list of here we have to initialize the number. Suppose roll number, these are the value. Any value, any roll number which you want to give. So this is a list and it's an immutable list. It is immutable list, means you cannot modify any data, you cannot remove any data, just you can display. Like I am using here the for loop for displaying this. Here you can give element. So if we run this program, we will see the output 34, 56, 78, 23, 56, 78, the list one by one. See the output. So if I try to modify this list, like roll number dot add, or I add something, so it is not possible because this list is immutable. It cannot be used to modify data, you cannot use to delete data. It's only read-only data. It have only read-only data. But if I want the same list should be mutable, then I have to use here the mutable list class. Mutable list, here also mutable list of, and now it is not immutable, it is mutable. Same output right now, but same output right now like this, but I can add few element also as I want, like roll number dot add. So I can add later on 100 value. Okay, and you can display right now. So at the last we have 100. Okay, but if I want to add some more value at a specific position, I can also give at 2 position I want to insert 200. So it will 0, 1 and 2. In place of 78 it will insert 200. See the output. You see we have a 200 also, 34, 56 and 200. Okay, then we can replace, we are adding a new element here, then we can replace also roll number dot replace all, replace at. We can, this is lambda expression, so I can give it here like this, if it equal to 78. Okay, it means the any value like this, if it is equal to 78, then what we have to do, we have to replace it with another value is called 500. For that I have to create a new variable also, like value, and here value equal to this one, and we say value. Okay, because this it means the any index value is equal to 78. Here we have this and this. There are two value having a 78 value. That will replace with 500 and return this 500. Means this value will be changed with 500. If I run this now, you see the output. You see, another value has been gone. Why? Because I have put the value 0. Otherwise, if I want to put the same value, I have to say else value equal to it. Means the same value you have to put on it is the same value on a value if it's not 78. So if I run again, you see the same result. In place of 0 we have a older value. You see, okay, in place of 78 we have now 500. We can remove also. If you want to remove any value, you can remove also. Roll number dot remove at, you can put the index. Suppose I give the index 4, so at the place of 4, 0, 1, 2, we have add some element also. See what value have been removed. You see what is removed. We have removed the 100 because 100 is on 4 place. Okay, not 100. We have removed 34, 56, then replace 78. We have removed the 23. Okay, 23 or 0, 1, 2, 3. It is on because we have add this also at second place 200. So 23 is at 4 place. 23 has been removed from the list. So like this you can use mutable list, and if you don't want mutable you can use mutable your immutable list also by using a list of operator. That's all here right now. We will read more about mapping in next lecture. Bye. See you again.